What happened? What happened, Deepu? Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet? Promise me. Can't you do this much for me, Deepu? Can't you do this much for me?
Lourdes, oh Lourdes, please see to it. In a bid to promise his murder, he shouldn't invite trouble for himself.
You can't promise such a simple thing, right? Then why did you say that? You would do as I say. Did I ask you to say it? Did I? I want to get Nayan out of your life for your well-being, and I won't have you by my side for that. Tell me. I won't have you by my side. What do I want? Tell me. What do I want? I just want that you should be healthy. You should be happy. I had never imagined this. I never imagined that you would turn your back on me. Never.
As far as I know, Nayan, she will never sign the divorce papers. And Mom is saying that I have to sign the divorce papers if Nayan signs them.
Fine. I have understood how important I am to you, Deepu. I have understood everything. I have nothing more to understand. Please go. Go away from here.
No, Mom. I won't go just like that. Mom, I promise you that if Nayan signs the divorce papers, then I will sign them too.
Are you telling the truth, Deepu? Tell me, are you telling the truth? Are you saying from the heart that you'll sign the papers if Nayan signs it? Answer me, Deepu.
Yes, Mom. I promise you.
I brought a plate to serve the sweets and a glass of water.
Keep them in the room.
Has ma'am calmed down? Did you have to calm her down? When my mom used to get angry, I used to calm her down by saying what she wanted to hear. Did you also?
You are trying to know what I promised Mom, right? Why are you asking me? Didn't you see it in your dream?
What was that?
Have you thought of how to make Nayan sign the divorce papers?
Yes, I have. We have to put her to deep sleep and make her sign the papers. If she's in her senses, Nayan won't sign the papers. So we have to give her sleeping pills. Arrange them for her, Vicky.
Good idea. I'll get them. Hey! Wait, what did you say? Sleeping pills? No pharmacy will sell sleeping pills over the counter. In fact, sleeping pills aren't sold without a prescription.
What will I do now? If Nayan is not in deep sleep, then my plan will be completely ruined. What do I do? I have to take Nayan's thumb impression on the divorce papers tonight at any cost. I couldn't find out what ma'am asked Dripto to promise. But the way Dripto is behaving with me is also strange. He is behaving so nicely.
Garland. I got it from my mom. I won't be able to put it alone. Can you please help me?
No. Am I again dreaming of my life with him? I won't dream of him anymore. He will again push me away after a few days. Then I'll be heartbroken. I'll feel bad.
I can't figure out what to do. But you're right, Jasmine, you know. If we don't put Nayan to sleep, then we won't be able to take a thumb impression. What to do?
Exactly. So please don't panic and think of how to arrange for sleeping pills.
Yes. Why didn't I come up with this simple idea before?
What idea?
There are sleeping pills at home. Aunt takes sleeping pills.
You mean Dripto's grandmother?
Yes, you're right. Dripto's grandmother. I'm so smart, Jasmine. Huh? As soon as plan A failed, I came up with plan B. The sleeping pills are in Aunt's room. We have to sneak them out from there. Simple. But
what?
You see, Aunt is always there in the room. She doesn't come out of her room. If she doesn't go out, how will I take the pills?
Oh no.
What do I do?
Why? You are so smart. You can think of plan C, right?
Will you have water, huh? Wait, let me fan you. Why are you pacing up and down? What is it? Are you feeling unwell? Will you lie down? Grandma! You okay? Listen, start doing pranayam. Trust me.
Just keep quiet. I am so worried. And you are asking me to do pranayam and all. Nothing. Topo hasn't come back yet. Does it mean he hasn't found a hired daughter-in-law? Jasmine has also come here. Oh Lord, what will happen now? I can't understand anything.
What happened? Why did you sit down? I am right. You are feeling unwell. Wait, I'll call the doctor right away.
Oh my! You don't have to call the doctor. Call Nayan.
Nayan?
Nayan.
Is Nayan a doctor? Did you see? No one told me that. I'm her friend, but I don't know she's a doctor. Wait, I'll call her right away. Friend! Friend!
What is it?
Hey, Grandma is unwell.
What are you saying?
Where are you going? Where are your things? Tell me.
What things?
Injections, medicines. Don't doctor have a briefcase? Where is it?
Oh my, I'm not a doctor.
Don't lie. You hid it from me. Grandma has told me everything. You can't hide it from me.
What are you saying? I can't understand anything.
Don't pretend to not understand anything. I'm very angry. Why didn't you tell me before that you're a doctor? Even Grandma knows. Why didn't you tell me? What else are you, friend? Gradually, I'm getting proof of all your talents. Someday I might see you through a rocket from the garden that will reach another planet. You can do everything.
Wait. We can discuss all that later. First, let's go and see what happened to ma'am. Come on, come. Ma'am, what happened to you? Are you unwell?
Oh, Nayan, I am feeling discouraged and downhearted, Nayan. I am not feeling well. I am sad. That's why I'm feeling a bit unwell. Look, you don't like anything if you're not happy.
But why are you sad, ma'am? What happened?
Nayan? You? And Deepu? I am worried about both of you. I feel that a danger will befall you. Danger? Do you know what feeling I'm getting? But it's not there. Everything is being ruined. Everything is being ruined. Nayan, will you take me to the temple, please? Please, Nayan, take me to the temple, please.
If Ann goes out of the room for some reason, I have to sneak into the room and take the sleeping pills. Jasmine, you will have to make Nayan sign the divorce papers today. She has made me suffer a lot. A lot.
But ma'am, I think there is a storm.
Storm?
Yes.
I don't care. I will go. I will surely go. I will go to the temple. Will you take me? Okay. If you don't take me, I will go alone. Move aside.
But ma'am,
I will go.
Ma'am,
I will
don't go alone, ma'am. Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, wait. Listen to me, ma'am. Please listen to me.
What do I listen to? You will forbid me, right? I won't listen to you. I will go to the temple. That's it.
I am not forbidding you just like that. If there is a storm and if it rains, you will face problems on the way.
Why don't we face problems if we stay at home? Remember this, Nayan. If I am destined to face trouble, then trouble will befall me even if I am in an iron house. She is trying to teach me. Stop arguing and take me.
It's a good opportunity. If Aunt and Nan go to the temple, the coast will be clear for us. There won't be any obstacles in taking the sleeping pills.
I understand what you are saying, ma'am. But you aren't feeling well. See, if you get drenched in the rain, you will fall sick. Then you will be in pain.
I think friend is right, Grandma. You must think about it.
Yes, ma'am. Think about it in the cold light of day.
Okay, wait. I won't go. I won't go to the temple. Okay? Happy?
This girl always creates problems, always. We had such a...
Softly.
We got a good chance to sneak out the sleeping pills. But this girl just ruined our plan.
Seriously, this girl is a big problem.
Absolutely.
Ma'am, let's go to the room. Come on.
Stop! You don't have to be nice with me. I can go to my room on my own. And no one will disturb me. And listen to me. I won't go to the temple. I won't go to the temple and won't have dinner. That's it.
Ma'am, I beg you. Please don't say that, ma'am. If you don't have dinner, how will you take your medicines? Okay, fine. Let's go. I'll take you to the temple.
Really? Will you really take me there?
Yes, I'll really take you to the temple. Are you happy now?
All the best, Jasmine. Now, just as planned, we have to go ahead with it. Don't forget that.
Yes. You get the sleeping pills from Dripto's grandmother's room. I'm going to my room.
Right.
What is this? Where is Uncle going like this? I've known Uncle for many years. And I'm telling you again and again that Uncle doesn't fake his love and affection.
Sometimes we make mistakes even if we know someone. What you know can also be wrong.
Almost everything that Nayan says comes true. I have to see if her suspicion against Uncle is right or wrong.
What was that sound?
You can't leave this house and go away from here. Besides, I don't want you to go out of my sight.
Is Dripto following me? Aunt is not at home. Will it be right to go into her room? Besides, I have no clue where she keeps her medicines. I've got a splitting headache. Oh my. Rangana, Rangana!
Uncle?
Rangana, I have got a splitting headache. Can you know, Aunt takes those sleeping pills. So can you look where she has kept those pills? I have a headache. I'll take one and go to sleep.
Babe.
I was right. Crypto.
Here you go. Don't forget to take it, okay?
Thank you so much.
I am going.
Uncle took sleeping pills as he got a headache. Why was he looking here and there for such a simple thing? What's wrong with him?